Hi everyone, my name is Dubi, the founder of Dubi's Fashion and Beauty. I specialize in making satin pillowcases, satin bonnet, and then the satin duke. I started the business because I'm following the journey of beauty, health, and good skin. So using the satin pillowcases, it has the benefit of you getting the healthy, glowing skin because like the satin material, it doesn't absorb the oil from your skin compared to cotton. They are satin pillowcases, and then the size is standard. They are very good for the skin and for the hair. And then this is how I package them. You get 2 inside the pack for $150, and then I have got different colors that you can choose from. So the use of the satin bonnet is also helpful for your hair because it's gonna keep your hair moisturized, and then when your hair is moisturized, it's not gonna break, and then your hair is gonna stay healthy and it's gonna grow in a good condition. The other thing that I'm making is the satin duke. It's very lovely, and then it's adjustable with this string, and then it's branded the company name. And then the other thing I have is the bonnet. This is the medium size. It fits all the people, and then the other one is for the kids. Then I do customized one. If you want to buy, you can WhatsApp me on 072-669-4716. I repeat the number, 072-669-4716. And we are also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Please check for Maduvha Makhado. It's MADUVHA Facebook and Instagram, and then Twitter is Maduvha @M1. Hi, my name is Maduvha and I am Township Entrepreneur.